Move away.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kendall County until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nelson City, or 7 miles northwest of Bernie, moving east-northeast at 30 miles per hour.
East-northeast.
Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Weekends.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bernie, Sisterdale, Croixburg, Walnut Grove, Guadalupe River State Park, Candelia, Welfare, Nelson City, Waring, and Crown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.